Rock lights here from NOVSIGHT, and we're going to open them up and check them out. Some really cool packaging. Curved mounts. So this package has 4. We also got the kit with 8. And all the mounts are curved, so you can mount them to your rails. The cord seems pretty short. We will see how long the controller cord is. Zip ties, okay, that's good. Hardware. Remote. And the controller. So this is going to go to my Auxbeam switch panel. And then these obviously to this. So this looks fairly long. Okay, let's get this installed. Alright, so in the back here, it's a little bit more tricky. The front is easy. It has all these holes. There's all these holes in the front. I can easily attach, zip tie that to it. But in the back here, you don't really have much options. So I'm going to try to just use this hole and this hole. And then just zip tie the light on through there, and hopefully that will be enough. Okay, so I'm going to want my cable to be facing. I'm hoping these ties are long enough. If not, I'm going to have to double them up. Probably hard to see. But there, that's pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, it's flush. It's a bit exposed, but it's not completely exposed. I don't think it's judging by the scratches, it's not really a spot that I hit a lot. So hopefully that's okay. Number 2 is on, so I'll just use a small hole here and this one here. 1, 2. I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side. my Auxbeam controller lives unconspicuously underneath here, which may or may not be a good idea, I don't know. Seems to be doing okay so far. What do we even have left here? Alright, I'm actually really confused by my own wiring here. Here's a 10 amp that's left, so that's what we'll use. Alright, so to make this happen, I'm gonna have to unfortunately cut off these ends here. And then put them in this one. The positive, negative. The weather is changing here fast on me. Gotta get this done before the rain starts. So I'm not 100% certain which button yet that's gonna be, but I guess we'll find out. Alright, so let's untangle the wires and see how long they are. Can reach everything we need to reach. I think they're different lengths probably. They seem quite long. I think there's two long ones and two short ones. So it's actually a good thing that I got my controller in the middle, because these I have to go on both sides, one on the right, one on the left to reach, otherwise this would not be long enough. So we'll see. Might end up being too much loose wiring here, but we'll deal with that. So right now I got them running through down here, which comes out right behind the fender. I'll clean all it up after. The first one pretty much connects there, and the second one reaches all the way down to here. So now let's just find out which button we gotta use. Alright, they're all on, but the lights are not on. Okay, get them working. So now I'm gonna just troubleshoot and figure out which one it is. So, turns out it's the DRL that keeps them on. Okay, and now we just gotta tidy up the wiring. And we're done. And I want to mention also the thing, you have to use the remote control to pair the lights, the module.